Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can translate your video in Filmora using AI, and there is even a new feature that lets you automatically adjust the lip based on the words being spoken in a new language. And I think that's really cool feature, and it will make the video feel more authentic. So let's try this new translation in Filmora. First, you have to insert a video into your project. So I'm going to drag and drop this clip that I got from the YouTube channel Linus Tech Tip, and I'm going to play it back.
Deflated? Me too. Taking everything into account, we have a next generation card that,
as you can see, the person is talking in English, and I'm going to translate that to a different language. So what you need to do is you have to select the clip that you want to translate, and then right click, and then go to AI translation. This is the menu that you have to open. And by the way, I think it is worth mentioning that in some version this might not be available, so be sure you're using the latest version of Filmora. After that, you're going to see this box, and for the source language you might want to select English depending on the language that you have in your video. And also for the target language, you can select any language that you want. Let's try Spanish. And then here we have the lip sync feature. This is still in beta, so it might not be perfect, but I'm eager to try. So let's try lip sync. So after you're done with the setting, you can click this button to start translating the video. I'm still using, sorry, this is my first time using this, so I still got the try free for 2 times. So let's give it a try. Click I got it. And now just wait until it finishes. So apparently it is uploading the video, I believe, to the cloud, and then later it's going to process the video and then return the video with the translated version. So yeah, I guess we have to wait and see, and I guess the process will depend on your connection and also how much the size of the video itself, and it's going to like quite some time to finish. Okay, it is translating, and 5 minutes for just 5 seconds video. I guess I'm going to fast forward the video, and I'm going to show you the result later. All right, so I just got the result, and apparently it wasn't 5 minutes, it was less than 5 minutes, so that's a good thing. And now it just immediately applied this video into the timeline, and it just muted my previous video, my original video right here. And you can see now there is there are 2 additions to my project. I believe this is the text, and this is the translated version of the video. So I guess we can give it a try, and let's play this video back and see the result.
Yo también, teniendo todo en cuenta, tenemos una tarjeta de próxima generación que...
Okay, let's try it again, and there is something that I want to show to you.
Yo también, teniendo todo en cuenta, tenemos una tarjeta de próxima generación que...
Maybe it's not visible in your YouTube video when you're watching this. It might not be very visible, but I can still see that there is something weird about the mouth. It is perfectly follows the words that are being spoken.
Yo también, teniendo todo en cuenta, tenemos una tarjeta de próxima generación que...
It is almost perfect. However, it's really not yet there. It's almost like the uncanny valley of translation. It is similar to, you know, when we have Superman Henry Cavill and he has mustache, and then the mustache has to be erased out using CGI. Yeah, it does look like that, and it's not yet there. It's visible. But I guess if you are okay with that, if you are okay with this compromise, this is actually really good.
Yo también, teniendo todo en cuenta, tenemos una tarjeta de próxima generación que...
It's really good, so I guess I call it a win. This is definitely amazing features. If you have a video that you want to share to other audience, to other people that might not be speaking in your language, then definitely I recommend using the AI translation in Filmora. So in any case, I hope you find this tutorial to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.